Good morning, guys. Sure, you had a wonderful weekend. I'm planning to buy GBP, sorry, sell. I'm planning to sell GBPJPY, and here are the reasons I'm considering selling. First, if we go back here, you would see that we had a resistance here. Okay, we had a resistance here, and a candlestick broke out from that resistance. I think this move was to clear liquidity at this previous high. I think it was to clear liquidity at this previous high that they have achieved. Now here we had a bullish candle, and the next candlestick has closed bearish. And what happened? Price closed below the low of this bullish candle. It closed below the low of this bullish candle. You can see these candlesticks closed below the low of this candle. Now after the formation of this bullish candle, you can see we had several bearish candles that formed, and at this point we had a support. You can see we had a support, and at this point that support was broken, and this support became a resistance. That support was broken. Now see what played out here. Okay, here we had a spinning top and an engulfing pattern. You can see we had a spinning top and an engulfing pattern, and after the creation of this engulfing pattern, a fair value gap was created. Okay, the gap between the low of this spinning top and the high of this spinning bottom. Okay, so a fair value gap was created, and when there is a breakout like this, okay, the gap is expected to be filled. Okay, so you can see this pullback is to fill the gap. Okay, this pullback is to fill this fair value gap. Okay, so what am I waiting for now? I'm waiting for a bearish reversal pattern on 1 hour. If this 1 hour candle closes as a spinning top, or it closes as a doji or a shooting star, I would take a sell on GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Also, I need to go down to lower time frame. Let's see what we have on. You can see 15 minutes. This is a good bearish pattern. You can see. Okay, this is hanging man. Okay, this is an hanging man. So if this next candlestick closes bearish, that confirms that we have sellers in the market, and there is a high probability that price might just keep dropping from that level. Okay, but one could also patiently wait for price to break the low of this hanging man or the low of this bullish candle. Okay, patiently wait for a candle to close below the low of these candles before you jump in. That is my take on GBPJPY. Let's see how it plays out. And if I'm selling below this level, my stop loss, let me go to H1. Go back to H1. If I'm selling, my stop loss will be few pips above the high of this candle. Few pips above the high of this candle. Reason being that anything that makes price break this high, it's an indication that we have more buyers. It's an indication that demand has exceeded supply, and when demand exceeds supply, price is expected to go up. So my stop loss will be 10 pips above the high of this candle. Okay, and my TP will at least be 2 times my risk. I hope that is clear. Let's just see how it plays out.